Hello friends, welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. In this session we will learn how to perform MDMT calculations, which is a very important concept in the field of pressure vessel and heat exchanger design. As this is an informative video just for small overview of MDMT calculations, I will always recommend you go through the code ASME section 8 division 1. In that preferably go for clauses UG20F and UCS 66. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. So in this session we will learn how to find MDMT of the material which is to be used for construction of pressure vessel. As most commonly we use the VIII software to perform our design calculation. I would like to turn off one setting in VIII, that no MAWP shall be used for MDMT calculation. So it will be easier for you to verify the result with respect to the code. Also, I'd like to recommend you to practice the same example at your own to get the proper feel of learnings. So guys, first of all, if you are very new to this industry, the question might be in your mind is that what is this MDMT, why we need to calculate that MDMT. So please pause the video and think for some time and put your answer in the comment box. So before giving the answer, I would like to show you some image. Just see those images. In the first image, you can see one ship is passing through the very cold water and water on top surface near about converted to the ice. So you can get feel that how cold that condition will be. Now let's see another image. Here is the vessel surrounded with ice. So now I think one thing you may have understood that when there are very cold conditions, we must perform MDMT calculations. So what happens at lower temperature, our material becomes so brittle in nature. In other words, you can say somewhat like glass material, as glass is very well known example of brittle material. So what happens when material becomes brittle, it gets broken without giving any sign or indication, just like a glass. So to take precaution against such failures, we perform MDMT calculations. So till now you might have understood why we perform MDMT calculation. Now let's understand what is that mean design metal temperature or MDMT. So what is MDMT? So MDMT, it is the lowest permitted temperature according to the metallurgy of the vessel fabrication material. The lowest permitted temperature is dependent upon the thickness of the component. Third is each material has its own MDMT. And fourth is in case of vessel failed to withstand MDMT requirement set by process which is calculated as per code, we need to perform impact testing. Now let's understand which things you must know to perform MDMT calculation. First of all, you should know the design code ASME section 8 division 1. Then you should know the clause UG20F in section 8 division 1. Then you should know the clause UCS 66 for basic MDMT, figure UCS 66. You should know the clause UCS 66.1 to find out the reduced MDMT, and figure UCS 66.1. So those things you should know to perform the MDMT calculations. So guys, this is all about today's session, and I don't believe in long videos, so the further part will be covered in the next session. In the next session we'll learn about UG20F, and after that we will go for UCS 66. So till that, goodbye and enjoy your Sunday. Thank you, and also don't forget to share our videos with your friends and colleagues, which will be very helpful for me.